Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this shaving gel is great if you've got sensitive skin. This is the Edge Shave Gel for Men. It is the ultra sensitive variety, and it has an oatmeal formula that really does an awesome job of moisturizing and helping protect your skin and reduce that irritation with shaving. It is nice and creamy, and you'll see that it very quickly works up into a really nice lather with hardly any work at all, just a matter of seconds, and then you have this super creamy shaving cream that you can go ahead and shave with. So this is for men, and my husband really likes this for sensitive skin when he is shaving, and he really appreciates that it just does an awesome job at helping to prevent those ingrown hairs and just reduce overall irritation. So this is a great product if you are struggling with any of those issues. So I would definitely recommend this shaving gel from Edge, and that's my point of view.